how to read the labels. Now, you won't be able to see this in the back, but this is, I tried to block out the name. You know, it's a popular peanut butter. So that was a little blurry for me. This one's even worse without my glasses. Okay, basically, what do we got here? We got peanuts and sugar and corn oil and all kinds of other stuff in there. This one here, this is an organic brand, and it says peanuts, salt. So it's really easy to read labels. This is peanut butter. This is something else. An easy one is, if you can't read it, don't eat it. Okay? What about our chigens? Here we go. What's in some of this nice formula here? Let's see, 47.6% corn syrup solids, right? High oleic safflower oil. That's pure trans fats. Sugar, as if the corn syrup wasn't enough. Coconut oil, which is probably the only good thing in there. And then a whole bunch of other additives, preservatives, and everything else. Raise him right, Mommy and Daddy. Well, I don't know. You don't understand. He doesn't latch on. You know, there's a way, or your family wouldn't have made it here. Now, I'm not saying some babies aren't born with birth defects they had. But the reality is, we're designed to do it. Okay? And there are sources for you to get that figured out. That's baby formula right there from Abbott Laboratories. Okay? I don't know. Well, anyway. I love these ones. Gerber graduates. You get to graduate from our high sugar poisonous formula and fast track them right into convenience poison. Right? Get them used to eating it. My kids hate this when we go to restaurants. The waitress always says, you want to give them kids menus? And they're like, heck no. All that's ever on there is Kraft macaroni and cheese and hot dogs. We want real food. My kids are like foodies, man. They're foodies. They want real food. Check this out. Look at some of these ingredients. Remember I was going over the brain fry stuff? Modified cornstarch, MSG. Soy lecithin, MSG. Hydrolyzed yeast extract, MSG. Natural flavor, MSG. Autolyzed yeast extract, MSG. Natural flavoring, MSG. And we wonder why our kids are flipping out and shooting their classmates when they turn 14. We make their brains built out of crap. We're literally poisoning them. And we want to expand our school lunch program? They would be better off starving than eating this crap. Pisses me off that they're fleecing 51 cents out of every tax dollar from me to put this kind of poison in our kids. That pisses me off. Yeah. NSA, if you're listening, bring it. All right?